Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to change the channels on Xfinity Stream when you are using a Samsung or LG Smart TV in 2026. So when watching the live TV through the application, the channel controls work a little differently as compared to the traditional cable box. Instead of using the number buttons, you usually switch the channels through the on-screen guide or the channel list. So here is how you can do it. First of all, you need to turn on your Samsung or your LG Smart TV, and then you need to simply open your Xfinity Stream application from the home screen. Now, you need to sign in your Xfinity account if you aren't already logged in. Once you are inside the app, among the given options, simply look for the option of Live TV. Now to change the channel, simply open the guide, press the OK button or select button on your TV remote while watching a channel to bring up the playback menu. Now to choose the guide option, the guide will play a list of the available channels along with the current and the upcoming programs. So now you need to use the arrow buttons on your remote in order to scroll through the list. When you find the channel which you want, simply highlight it and then press OK. Now, if you are already watching the live TV, you can also change the channels quickly by opening the mini guide. For that, simply press the down or the up arrow button on your remote to bring up the channel navigation menu. Then select another channel from the list. The Xfinity application also keeps the tracks of the recently watched channels. You can also access these from the live TV menu and switch between them faster without scrolling through the full guide. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.